In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a timestamp into a Snowflake table. We'll walk through setting up a table that can accept timestamps and explore different methods for inserting timestamp data. By the end, you'll be equipped with the know-how to work confidently with timestamps in Snowflake. Let's start off by understanding the setup. We'll be creating a table called My Table, which will have two columns, ID and My Timestamp. The ID column is an integer, which is fairly straightforward. More importantly, let's focus on the My Timestamp column. Here, we use the timestamp LTs data type. Now this is crucial because timestamp LTs stands for timestamp with local time zone, meaning it will store timestamps that include local time zone information. To set this up, we use the following command: create or replace table my table, ID int, my timestamp timestamp/LTS. This command ensures that our table is ready to store timestamps with the specified representation. With our table in place, we're ready to insert some timestamps. We'll look at three different methods for doing this. The first method involves inserting a timestamp directly as a string literal. For example, to insert a timestamp of August 15, 2024 at 10:30 a.m., you can use the following snippet. Insert into my table, ID, my timestamp, values, 1/2024 to 08/15, 10:30 Hontla. This is a straightforward way of inserting specific date and time data directly as a string. Next, let's consider a scenario where you want to insert the current timestamp at the time of insertion. You can achieve this by utilizing the current timestamp function. The following command demonstrates this. Insert into my table, ID, my timestamp values, to current timestamp. This command dynamically captures the exact current timestamp at the moment the command is executed, making it perfect for logging when specific actions occur. The third method uses the toTimestamp function, which allows you to specify the format of your timestamp string explicitly. For example, consider the timestamp we discussed earlier. You can insert it using the toTimestamp function like this. Insert into my table, ID, my timestamp. Values, 3/2 timestamp, 2024-08-15, 10:30 Asungshi, Y DD 24 MI. This is particularly useful when your timestamp string doesn't adhere to the default format. By specifying the exact format, you minimize errors and ensure that the data is interpreted correctly. By now, you should feel comfortable inserting timestamps into a Snowflake table using these various methods. Whether you are dealing with predefined dates, capturing the current moment, or handling specific formats, you now have the tools to handle timestamps effectively in your databases. Keep these techniques in mind as you continue to explore the powerful capabilities of Snowflake. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.